What's up guys, Joey here with YugaTech, and the Huawei P30 Pro is definitely one of my favorite phones this year. It now has a new color, it's called Amber Sunrise. We're gonna be unboxing it today, so check it out. Alright, so you have your standard Huawei P30 Pro box. Lifting up the lid, and there it is. So upon first glance, when I first saw this in photos, what I really like about this new Amber Sunrise color is just how much contrast it has with the breathing crystal color variant of the P30 Pro. This is the P30, but as the same color. Just look at that contrast. You have the bluish hues on the breathing crystal. They contrast perfectly with the Amber Sunrise, and I really like that. So if you want something that's kind of opposite of the classic breathing crystal or similar to Twilight from Huawei, this is the one to go. It's got the red to sort of goldish gradient. It looks really nice. Yeah, there we go. Of course, the rest of the box, as usual for the P30 Pro, we have SIM ejector tool over here, manuals, clear case, so you can protect that really nice finish. And of course, you have your Huawei supercharged charger, cable, and a pair of earbuds. Alright, so yeah, this is just the same old P30 Pro, 8GB of RAM. This one has 512GB of storage for the Amber Sunrise color. Same old P30 Pro, same old good quad camera setup with performance. It just has this new awesome color, which I really like. And if you want to cop one of these new P30 Pros in the Amber Sunrise color, it will set you back 55,990 pesos. Again, it's for the 8GB of RAM and 512GB of storage variant. Alright, so if you guys are digging the Amber Sunrise color of the P30 Pro, let us know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content, hit the bell icon to miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.